In this lab, I'm going to configure a wireless client to connect to a wireless network. A wireless client is essentially any wireless device that associates with an access point to use a wireless LAN. A wireless client is simply a device with a wireless LAN NIC that supports the same wireless LAN standard as the access point. Almost all laptop manufacturers now offer integrated wireless LAN NICs, and this enables the laptop to associate with an access point and be part of a wireless network. I'll go ahead and configure a wireless LAN client that connects to a wireless network. I'll also try to find out the difference in configuration for an unsecured wireless LAN network and a secured wireless LAN network. Before proceeding, I need to make sure that the wireless LAN NIC is enabled. You'll find the wireless LAN NIC icon in the notification area, right side, lower bottom corner of the desktop. I will simply click on the wireless LAN NIC icon to launch the wireless network connection window. This displays the wireless networks that are in the range of the wireless LAN NIC. How many networks can we see? There is no network. To search for networks, I'll click Refresh Network List in the Network Task menu. Notice that it starts searching for wireless networks in range. For example, those that are supported and are in the geographical vicinity of the wireless LAN NIC. See that? It found a wireless network, AP1, which is an unsecured wireless network. When we say unsecured, it means that the network is configured for open access with no encryption. The AP1 wireless network is in the range of the wireless LAN NIC and can access the resources of the wireless LAN. Let's connect to this unsecured wireless LAN, AP1. The process is simple. All I have to do is click Connect. A warning message appears indicating that I am about to connect to the unsecured network AP1. Information sent over this network is not encrypted and might be visible to other people. I'm going to click Connect anyway. This action acknowledges consent for connection to the wireless LAN, and we connect to this unsecured network. It goes right ahead and searches and connects to that network. Now watch this. The wireless LAN NIC icon, which was showing not connected, now shows connected. We've successfully connected a wireless client to an unsecured wireless network. Now, let's try connecting the same wireless client to a secured wireless network and see the difference. I just click the wireless LAN NIC icon. When I do this, the wireless network connection window launches. I then click Refresh Network List. It searches and displays the wireless networks in range. This time it discovers a secured wireless network, AP1. Note the difference in network description. It says this network requires a network key. If you want to connect to this network, click Connect. I go ahead and click Connect. This starts establishing a connection between the wireless network and the wireless LAN client. It detects that the network type is secure and accordingly prompts for the network key, which is also called a WEP key or WPA key. Note the difference. I was not asked to provide an authentication key when connecting to an unsecured wireless network. Now I am, and I'll enter the network key. The network administrator can provide this key to you. The length of the network key is dependent on the type of encryption configured for the wireless network. Now I need to confirm the network key by retyping it again. I need to make sure that I give the correct key in the network key dialog box and don't make a mistake here, because if the keys don't match, the client will not connect to the network properly. Once this is done, I'll click Connect. If the network key is correct, then the wireless client connects to the wireless network and starts acquiring the network address. It's really cool the way this works. If DHCP is enabled for the network, it will automatically lease out an IP address to the client, and it connects to the wireless network. Note that the wireless LAN NIC icon will show connected, as it was in the case of successful connectivity to an unsecured wireless network. So we've successfully connected a wireless client to a secured wireless network and learned how the process is different from connecting to an unsecured network.